calling all emoji lovers. Well, not really. I'll just be changing my PC into a tablet so I can use some emojis. Alright, so this is how I do it. I'm using Windows 10, by the way. The first thing I want you to do is notice the icons in the corner right here. And you're going to notice a difference after I change into tablet mode. So I'm going to be using this notification icon, tapping on it, then this pop-out will come out on my right, and I'm going to select tablet mode. So tablet mode, now it's on. All right, notice the sidebar here again. The icons have changed. And I now have a keyboard on my bar. So I'm going to tap on this, and here's my keyboard. So my keyboard is now on my screen. My emojis, here they are. I can use any one of these. And here's the typical text setting, text emoji setting. So I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to be using a few of these. So tap out. I'm going to change my font size because this is probably too small for you to see. So 36 is good. All right, so let's try this. And it disappeared because I wasn't using it. It was inactive and I clicked out of it. So let's go back in, find my emojis, and here we go. I can also change the color just like I would change the color of my text. I could come here, so my color is changed, or I could have come to this, which is the same thing, just in a different place. All right, so back in here again, and I want this smiley face, this thumbs up, and this, what exactly is this? I don't know. But we'll find out. Okay. Oh, an old man waving. Happy old man. It works. Okay, I'm going to change this color as well. All right, what do I want to use? Blue. That blue looks awesome. All right, so, all right, let me see if this will work somewhere else. So, okay, I'm gonna have to come back out of this mode in order to try this, because what I want is not going to show up when I'm in tablet mode. So let's go over. Let's see if I can use this somewhere else. All right, I'm gonna have to go back in, change to tablet mode. Oh wow. Okay, and will it work here? Let's see. Okay. Okay, this is an experiment. Let's see if this works. Where is that laughing guy? Okay, let's try you. Oh, it's there. Good. Comment. There you go. There he is. All right, so if you always wondered how to get your emoji on your PC, that's it. All right. Bye.